Welcome to Quick Learn tutorial series. In this video, I will explain you control word of 8255 PPI. It is lecture number 6 of 8255 Programmable Peripheral Interface. So before I discuss the control word of 8255, here I give a brief introduction of 8255. In my previous video, I have already explained about 8255, its introduction, its pin diagram, its block diagram in detail. The link of that video I will give in my description box. So let's start with the introduction of 8255. So 8255 is basically a programmable peripheral interfacing chip that was developed or manufactured by Intel. 8255 is basically a programmable input-output device that is designed to interface between the microprocessor and the input-output device, such as analog to digital converter, digital to analog converter, printer, keyboard, etc. So it is a programmable device. We can program it according to the given condition. It can be used with almost any type of microprocessor. 8255 PPI is available in 40-pin IC. It is economical, functional, flexible and versatile device, but it is little bit complex. 8255 basically consists of 24 bidirectional input-output line that can be divided into 3 8-bit input-output ports, which can be configured as per the requirement. So these ports are port A, port B and port C. Each port having 8-bit. Port A having 8-bit, port B having 8-bit and port C having 8-bit. Port C is further divided into 3 ports, port C upper and port C lower, and both the port having 4-bit. Now these ports are divided into 2 groups, group A and group B, each group having 12-bit. Group A having 12-bit, it consists of 8-bit of port A, that is PA0 to PA7, and 4-bit of port C upper, that is PC4 to PC7. Now group B also having 12-bit, 8-bit of port B, that is PB0 to PB7, and 4-bit of port C lower, that is PC0 to PC3. In this way, all ports are divided into 2 groups. Now these ports are work as an input port or work as an output port is depend on the mode of operation of 8255. So here the operating mode of 8255. Basically 8255 is programmed in 2 modes, BSR mode and input output mode. BSR mode is basically a bit set or reset mode. This mode is basically used to set or reset the bit of port C. In my previous video, I have already explained BSR mode in detail and the link of that video I will give in my description box. Next is input output mode. Input output mode is further classified into 3 modes, mode 0, mode 1 and mode 2. So in this way we can program 8255. Now the control word of 8255. 8255 can be programmed with the help of this control word. So first we know about what is control word. In 8255 there is an 8-bit register known as control register. This control register is used to control the function of each port, and the content of the control register is known as control word. So control word having 8-bit D0 to D7. D7 is the most significant bit of control word. This bit defines in which mode 8255 is working. If the value of D7 is 0, 8255 work in BSR mode. If the value of D7 is 1, 8255 work in input output mode. As I have already told, in case of BSR mode, we set or reset the bit of port C only. It not affect the input output mode. But when the 8255 work in input output mode, the value of D7 is 1 and it is further classified into 3 modes, mode 0, mode 1 and mode 2. Mode 0 is simple IO mode. In this mode, all the 3 ports, port A, port B and port C working as a simple IO port. Next is mode 1. In mode 1 is known as handshaking input-output mode or strobe input-output mode. In this mode, port A and port B work as an input-output mode and port C is used for handshaking. Third is mode 2. Mode 2 is bidirectional data transmission mode. In this mode, port A is work as a bidirectional data transfer port and port B is used either in mode 0 or mode 1 and port C bit are used for handshaking. So in this way 8255 is working. Now the remaining bit of the control word, that is D0 to D6, define the functionality of each port and mode as per in which mode they are working. If 8255 work in BSR mode, so these bit are define the functionality of the particular port as per BSR mode. If 8255 work in input output mode, so these bit define the functionality of the port as per input output mode. So here first I explain the control word of BSR mode. As I have already told, the most significant bit, that is D7 bit, define in which mode 8255 is working. So for BSR mode, the value of D7 equal to 0. Now the next bit of BSR mode, that is D6, D5, D4 bit. In case of BSR mode, these bits are not used presently. So generally the value of these bit are set to be 0. Now the next bit, D3, D2, D1 bit. These three bit, combination of these three bit define a particular bit of port C, 8 bit of port C, that is PC0 to PC7, and this bit can be set or reset with the help of least significant bit of control word, that is D0. If the value of D0 is 0, a particular bit of port C can be reset. If the value of D0 is 1, a particular bit of port C can be set. But only one bit can be set or reset at a time by D0. So first we see how we select a particular bit of port C with the help of this combination. So here the combination is given D1, D2, D3. If the combination of these three bit is 0, 0, 0, PC0 bit of port C gets selected. If 0, 0, 1, PC1 bit of port C gets select. 0, 1, 0, PC2 gets select. 0, 1, 1, PC3 gets select. 1, 0, 0, PC4 bit gets select. 1, 0, 1, PC5 bit gets select. 1, 1, 0, PC6 bit of port C gets select and 1, 1, 1, PC7 bit of port C gets select. So in this way we select the bit of port C, but only one bit can be set or reset at a time with the help of D0 bit. So this is the control word of bit set or reset BSR mode. Next, this is the control word of input output mode. In case of input output mode, all the port are working as a input port or work as a output port, or in which mode they are working is defined by the control word. So the most significant bit of control word, that is D7, define in which mode 8255 is working. Here we study input output mode, so the value of D7 is set to be 1. The next bit, that is the combination of D6 or D5, these two bits define in which mode port A is working. So this bit are called port A mode selection bit. If this combination is 0, 0, port A work in mode 0. Combination is 0, 1, port A work in mode 1. If the combination of D5 and D6 is 1 cross, port A work in mode 2. Next is D4 bit. D4 bit define the input output function of port A. It means port A work as an input port or port A work as an output port. If the value of D4 is 0, port A work as an output port. If the value of D4 is 1, port A work in input port. Next is D3 bit. D3 bit define the input output function of port C upper. If the value of D3 is 0, PC upper work in output port. If the value of D3 is 1, port C upper work in input port. Next is D2 bit. D2 bit define in which mode port B is working. It means it is a port B mode selection bit. If the value of D2 is 0, port B work in mode 0. If the value of D2 is 1, port B work in mode 1. Next is D1 bit. D1 bit define the input output function of port B. If the value of this D1 is 0, port B work in input port. If the value of D1 is 1, port B work in output port. Next and last D0 bit, it is the least significant bit of control word, is define the input output function of port C lower. If the value of D0 is 0, port C lower work as a output port. If the value of D0 is 1, port C lower work in input port. So in this way we program 8255 input output mode. So here I explain how we write a control word. In my previous video where I explained the mode 0, mode 1 and mode 2 operation in detail. In that video I explain how we write a control word. Here I give an example how we write a control word or how we program 8255 according to the given condition. This example is very important in university exam point of view or the competitive exam point of view. The question is, write a control word for making port B and port C lower as a output port and port A and port C upper as a input port and 8255 work in mode 0. Once again I will read the example. Write a control word for making port B and port C lower as a output port and port A and port C upper as a input port and 8255 work in mode 0. So the solution of the example is, I have already told, 8255 control word having 8 bit D0 to D7 and the most significant bit, that is D7, define in which mode 8255 is working. If 8255 work in BSR mode, this bit is 0. If 8255 work in input output mode, this bit is 1. As mentioned in example, 8255 work in mode 0. It means it is work in input output mode. So D7 bit is 1. Now D6 or D5 number bit, these bit combination define in which mode port A is working. So here given in the example, 8255 work in mode 0. It means these two bit are 0 0. Next, D4 number bit. D4 number bit define the input output function of port A. It means port A is work as a input port or work as a output port. So given in the example, port A as a input port. So this bit is 1. Now D3 bit. D3 bit define the input output functionality of the port C upper. It means port C upper work as a input port or work as a output port. So here given the example, port C upper work as a input port. So this bit is also 1. Next is D2. D2 define the mode selection pin of port B. It means which mode port B is working. This bit is 0 for mode 0 or 1 for mode 1. So port B work in mode 0. Because 8255 is working in mode 0. So this bit is also 0. Next, D1 pin. D1 pin define the input output functionality of port B. Port B is work as an input port or port B is work as an output port. So here port B is work as an output port. So this pin is 0. Next and last, least significant bit, D0 bit define the input output functionality of the port C lower. Port C lower work as an output port or input port. So port C lower is work as an output port mentioned in the example. So here this pin is also 0. When we combine this control word, so this control word is 100, 110, 00. If we write this control word in hexadecimal form, so it is 98H. This is the control word of 8255 mode 0. So this type of example asked in competitive exam as well as the university examination. I hope this video help you. Thank you for watching my video. For more video, continuously watching my microprocessor and microcontroller series. In my next video or coming video, I will explain you mode 1 and mode 2 of input output operating mode of 8255. If you are the Hindi viewer of this channel, I will explain the Hindi version of this topic tomorrow.